If you want to turn on Talkback on your Redmi Note 15, as you can see over here, we can find this notification that we have to hold 2 fingers on the screen for 5 seconds to turn it off. So let's try if it works. If it is not gonna work, I'm gonna show you the second way how we can do this manually, step by step. Okay, it's working properly. But if you have this issue that you actually cannot turn it off, so basically you are navigating in the Talkback mode by using your 2 fingers, because when you use one finger, it's not gonna work. So use 2 fingers to swipe up or down like that. Now we have to just open the settings, and if you want to open something, first of all you have to click on it once, and then you have to quickly double tap when something is selected with the green frame. And you have to just scroll to the additional settings, open the accessibility, open the vision, open Talkback, and here you have to just click on the switcher to turn it off.